Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. And still, this past weekend, a lot of us dodging some showers and thunderstorms, especially in the New York City metro. We had rounds of rain on Saturday, and then late on Sunday, more very light rain, but still rain nonetheless. Whereas across upstate New York and central New York, a lot of the weekend actually ended up dry, but of course it ended with some rain showers. And as we get this new week started, we do have some rain showers that'll be on the way. Let's first talk about the temperatures, though, which will be near normal this week, which means mostly 70s and occasionally even some 80s this week. Still going to be looking at some showery weather. It looks like today a round of showers pushing into western and central New York. Tomorrow that'll get into the eastern half of the state. And wouldn't you know it, as the weekend approaches, we may be looking at another round of some rain showers. Although with each model update, every time the forecast models update, it looks a little bit less wet here for the weekend, but we'll see if that trend holds true as this week goes on. In the New York City metro, it is going to be a cloudy day. We got lots of clouds with us this morning, mostly cloudy skies this afternoon as we peak around 70, so that thermometer is not going to move very much today. Still holding on to dry weather this evening, but late tonight, generally after midnight, there will be some rain coming in and maybe even a few thunderstorms. Air quality has been a big deal here over the last couple of days. Across the entire Northeast, we've had at times that air quality index getting up there around 100. That's when we have some issues. So there have been some air quality alerts. Today, the air quality index staying between about 50 and 100. That's still in the moderate category, but not quite to the point where we would consider it unhealthy for sensitive groups like those with asthma. 75 today in Albany with mostly cloudy skies. 76 today in Syracuse with showers and thunderstorms coming in this afternoon. A little bit earlier start time for those showers and storms for you out there in Rochester and Buffalo with a high of 72 degrees. And then those showers will keep moving east. So they're kind of around central New York and central Pennsylvania this evening. Overnight, that rain pushes toward New York City. And again, that'll be at least after midnight the way it looks right now. Here's the weather story. That area of low pressure, there's been basically a persistent area of low pressure spinning south of Hudson's Bay, which is this body of water way up there in Canada. So we get this area of low pressure, these other low pressure systems spinning around it. So we get wave after wave of rain showers and severe weather in the middle part of the country. It's a pattern that just keeps repeating itself. And it doesn't look like that pattern's going to break down anytime soon. So another round of some showers and storms after midnight tonight for New York City, and that carries on through the first half of the day tomorrow. Wednesday and Thursday, summer's fully on here with highs in the 80s and some sunshine, clouds increasing on Friday, and right now it looks like there will be some showers around, at least for the start of the weekend. Of course, as we get a little bit closer, we'll be able to fine-tune that forecast for you. But that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone's week gets off to a great start. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.